ABML Morning Update. Market seen retreating a day after seeing gain as Middle East war risk widens, clouds outlook. Global markets. US stocks resumed their decline on Thursday after a brief one-day respite as renewed concerns over the Iran war and US crude topping $80 per barrel weighed on sentiment. The S&P 500 fell 0.56%, while the Nasdaq Composite dipped 0.26%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 784.67 points or 1.61%. Oil prices surged after Iran struck an oil tanker with a missile, pushing WTI crude above $80 for the first time since July 2024, settling over 8% higher at $81.01, while Brent rose nearly 5% to $85.41. WTI has jumped over 20% this week and Brent nearly 18%, marking their largest weekly gains since March 2022. Geopolitical tensions rose after Iran said it is not seeking a ceasefire with the US or Israel, with uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz, which carries approximately 20% of global oil supply. Concerns also grew as the US signaled additional military deployment and a 15% global tariff may take effect this week. European stocks ended negative, with the Pan-European Stock 600 down by 1.4%. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on March 5th. At close, the Sensex was up 1.14% at 80,015 and Nifty was up 1.17% at 24,766. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 183 points at 24,613, signaling a negative start to the trading session. The Iran war is threatening India's pharmaceutical exports, with industry estimates suggesting a potential impact of $300 to $500 million, 2,500 to over 4,500 crore rupees, largely due to higher freight costs if the disruptions continue through March. Freight costs for bulk drugs from China have doubled, from $1,200 to $2,400 per container, while shipping lines are increasingly refusing cargo to Gulf hubs or imposing surcharges of $3,500 to $5,000, complicating logistics. Pharma shipments to the Middle East and GCC region contribute roughly 5 to 6% of India's over $30 billion drug exports. In addition to this, the Middle East is also a key transit point for exports to Western countries, especially the US. The closing of airspaces in the Middle East, which was being used as an alternative route, will have a significant impact on exports. Experts also said that in case of temperature-controlled shipments, if medicines or raw materials get stalled midway for 3 or 4 days because airspace closes, there could be a huge impact on quality. Focus for the day. UK PMI, US Price Index. Key corporate developments/policy actions. Indian Navy is poised to finalize a significant deal worth 99,000 crore rupees for 6 German submarines from ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems to be constructed in Mumbai by Mazagon Docks Limited. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers has entered into an MOU with Kalyani Strategic Systems to jointly develop and promote indigenous solutions for advanced naval systems, unmanned platforms, and other strategic maritime capabilities for domestic and global markets. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories has received the Establishment Inspection Report (EIR) from the United States Food and Drug Administration (US FDA) for its formulations manufacturing facility in Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. Sami Hotels said its board has approved acquiring a 70% stake in Rare India and expects to sign definitive agreements by May 2026, marking its entry into the experiential leisure segment through an asset-light platform investment. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 37.52 billion rupees, while DII bought for 51.53 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.